Say something. California.
New York.
You got Colorado?
You remember my name?
Dope.
New York.
Did you say I'm kidding? I think she said I'm kidding. Colorado. Oh, really? Just joking. You just started early. Where?
Actually, I came from
You're from Colorado? Oh, yeah. Right on. Well, Avalanche. Mexico. Oh, yeah. Nice. Somebody else is from Argentina. I saw too. Well, thank you all. Argentina? Oh. Thank you all very, very much for coming out tonight. Seriously, like, this is so cool for us. I saw the script, and I sat right, well, we saw the script, I was with all these guys. We sat, like, 6 rows from the back right there.
Dude, One Republic, we were sitting
One Republic, really?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
I was sitting over there one time, and I was sitting over there one time.
Yeah, we saw Alt J up there where those two gentlemen.
Section B. Yeah, wherever you guys were.
Yeah,
have you guys been on the little bleachers? Has anyone been there?
No, I've never been up on the bleachers, actually. I've never seen the show. I've had pretty good seats when I come to the Greek.
Yeah, every seat's a good seat, except for the camouflage ones.
Yeah, the pit's gonna be a fun time.
The pit's gonna
On the slide.
All right, so one quick thing before we go. We are filming for our very first ever live. So if the cameras get in your face, get right back in it. And just go absolutely insane.
If you